Here's the view outside. Again, this is out at Frederick. Again, the clouds are getting really thick outside. And what we're seeing on the radar right now is a burst of snow moving through. It's been moving at about a pace of about 45 miles per hour. The National Weather Service does have a special weather statement out. Temperatures right now have been going up. We're above freezing at all three airports. Here's a look at the weather statement. Anywhere you're seeing in white, we can see a quick dusting of snowfall, maybe seeing that visibility drop to about a quarter miles for some of these areas that are going to be looking at this snow moving through. But this time yesterday, the statement was a lot smaller, so they've widened up the view. It looks like it's going to be moving more to the south and over towards the east. Here's the view right now of our storm tracker radar. Again, for areas to the north, like Frederick, Gaithersburg, Germantown, even into Rockville, this will all be moving into you very quickly. And we're going to zoom into the area of Montgomery County, as well as into Montgomery County, Purcellville. That is where the lighter snow is. The darker shades of purple, of course, that is where it's coming down a bit more heavily. And again, this is not going to be disruptive, but if you're going to be on the roadways, you certainly want to make sure you're taking your time and being prepared for this. With so many people, of course, commuting with the rush hour. Here's the wider view. This is the snow. This is our clipper that's going to be sliding through, bringing us this push of snow. It should be over and out of here by about 8:30, maybe a few flurries passing through. This is Thursday, 6 o'clock at night, showing where the heavier snowfall is going to be. And again, it's across D.C., and then after 8:30 or 9, things will start to quiet down, and then we'll see mostly clear skies. So we've got a big week ahead, of course, with so many activities happening, games, of course, inauguration, MLK Day. But what we will see are 3 chances really for a storm. We've got rain around on Saturday. That's fine. We can handle it. Sunday, it looks like the model's picking up on a chance of more snow for us. It looks like a light amount. And then by the middle to the end of next week, it looks like we could be also tracking another winter threat. And we'll get to that, of course, as we get through the next couple days. But we look at our European model for this Sunday. We start off dry. Here comes that snow pushing through. This goes through the afternoon and then comes to an end very quickly, which means we will be dry for the inauguration. And now the model's picking up about an inch of snowfall around for your Sunday. Now, keep in mind, the temperatures are only going to be going down. As we go into your Monday, you've already heard how cold it's going to be for the inauguration. And then we'll see those overnight lows in the teens. It's going to at times feel like, I think, even -5 degrees. Now, but for us tonight, light snow early on, then we'll clear the skies out. Overnight low of 29 degrees. That means there could be some areas of some iciness setting up for you Friday morning. And then for tomorrow afternoon, we'll get up to 44 degrees. It's going to be nice and warm for tomorrow, as well as even into your Saturday, because those temperatures will be in the 40s. And here's your 3-day planner. 45 for your Saturday, temperature falling dramatically on Sunday. And then Monday, big day, 26 degrees for the afternoon high. Here's a look at your 7-day forecast. We've got the 40s around for the first 3 days. This is a little deceiving with that snow coming through. But then for Monday, 26. And look at those overnight lows. That is 10 degrees for here in D.C. That means even some of the outlying areas, we could be in the single digits. And then a high of only 20 degrees on Tuesday. You want to call it a high, but that's low for a high anywhere you look at it. We'll send it back over to you, too.
Jen, thanks.